Hey everyone, it's Cole. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do one of my favorite videos, which is basically a bag review or what's in my bag. We're gonna be unboxing my Small Telfar bag that just came in the mail, so I'm super excited. Also, I got my makeup done today, so I feel really cute. I feel like it's gonna be like a filmmaking social media day. I got it done by Jason. I'll link down his Instagram down below. It's like Jason Alex MUA, so you guys can check out his work. But yeah, if you guys want to see this review and little unboxing, just keep on watching. All right, you guys, so we are doing a unboxing. I have my package. Let me not show my address, but right over here. Look, Kyra's like sniffing the camera. Wants to know what's inside. So when you open it, it looks like this. I feel like this is gonna be like a short video because it's pretty self-explanatory. So it comes in a Ziploc bag like this, and then it does come with like a dust bag. I'm gonna take it out. It's super small, like literally the size of my face almost. But oh my gosh, it's so cute, you guys. It's so cute. Okay, size comparison would be my iPhone 12 Pro Max whatever, and that's the bag. Like, this is how small it is, which is so cute because I want something like really small and convenient and I can just like bring everywhere and just toss like what I need. But yeah, it's folded like this. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap it so I can see how long the straps are. They're like two little straps, you know? It's so cute. Do you guys hear Kyra in the back like growling? She's like, what am I doing? But yeah, so when you open it up, it does come with a little Telfar bag right over here. So yeah, this is the Small Chocolate shopping bag. It says OS, so I'm assuming that's like one size or whatever, but is that what it means? There's multiple sizes though. So let me go ahead and take this out. And when you kind of like take it out, it just looks like this. When you open it up, it has the logo again in there. You have the logo in there. It does have the little button they can close it with. It's like super easy to close and open. It's not like, is it a mesh material? It has like this, it's kind of like a mesh material. I don't know how to describe it. Oh my god, I'm so bad. I haven't done like a bag review in so long. But yeah, it's super cute. This is just like the small little details. All right, just a little bit more information on it. It did take a few months to arrive. I think I ordered it back in November and it took a few months because it was like a customized color and size for a limited time. I'm looking back at my receipt right now and I purchased, let's see. It doesn't even say when I purchased it, but let me view my order so I can look at the details. I paid exactly $162.94, and it was a pre-order that would ship by March 31st, 2022, and I got it in January. So yeah, I'm like really happy that I didn't pay like resale or anything because this is only $100. You don't need to pay like more, and it's like an everyday bag that I want. I'm not like, it's a bag that like, yes, I would care if I lost it, but also I only know I paid $100 for it, you know? All right, so the next thing I want to do in this video is do kind of like a what's in my bag. So I'm gonna fill it up to how I think or how I would like. I usually, where is it? I usually like to carry this like LV little pochette bag everywhere, and what I want to do is I want to transfer my stuff in here. I could technically just put it in here. Let me see if it fits. Okay, it does fit, but like what's the point? So I'm gonna see if I can find like a little organizer that can keep everything in place, and yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so there's not like a lot in the bag. It definitely has the space to fill it in, but I filled it in based on what I'm like doing today and what I need. So here's a quick little what's in my bag. The first thing I'm gonna pull out is my card holder from YSL. My best friend actually got this for me. Thank you, Vivian. So it's just a cute nude one, and it's just so slim and easy to put anywhere. So I love that. The way it's organized, it looks like this, by the way. Like that, like literally, it's like not too much. Then I went ahead and put a scrunchie in here just in case, you always need one. I put my AirPods. It's a must. I found that like when I go like Ulta shopping, I'm by myself and my boyfriend usually waits in the car, so having AirPods are nice, you know, listen to some music while you're shopping. And then I have a lip balm from Summer Fridays. If you guys haven't tried this lip balm, it is like a game changer. It is so good, has like a nice butter formula, and it's not sticky. I have the original one in this purse right now, but I also have the vanilla beige flavor, which is so good. And then this big thing right over here is just like a Starbucks like gift card thingy or coupon, because did I say Starbucks? I mean Jamba Juice. I will always get the matcha green tea blast, is it, or the there's another matcha drink with like cloud foam on it. It's so good. And then the last thing I have in here is this little pouch thingy. This is actually from a small business called Sunkiss & Co, and I recently got this mystery box, and this is the Live, Laugh, and Bloom in, I think that's what it's called, but it smells so good. So I figured that I could just have this like little roller ball in there. And look at it, it's so cute. And they're like, what is it? They're vegan, cruelty free, so, you know. And then they also, I also put my lash glue in there. I just don't want everything to be like mixed everywhere, so that's how I placed it. But that's basically what I put in my bag. I don't want it to be like too cluttered, so I'm just putting everything in here. It's the little squish from the packaging, but it should straighten out later on. But yeah, like that is so cute. Oh, I can't wait to take pictures in this. It's just like such a moment. Like you can pair this up with anything. You can dress it up or dress it down. And I would kind of show you guys, we can wear it as like a crossbody. I completely forgot that, duh, my phone is gonna be in there. So it does fit the 12 Pro. It's just a little hard to get into with everything and the case, but without the case it should be pretty easy. Or you can also just like have it standing up. Like, let me, like, you could just have that like your little pocket on the side, you know. But so cute. So overall, I'm super happy with my purchase. I think it is such like a fashionable, affordable piece, and they come in several colors, so you're not gonna have like the same one as everybody. You can have like a nice, I want like the lavender like purple one. I think that is so cute. Or you can even do like a bright green, like whatever you want. But this is gonna be my everyday bag that I can just toss on, more of like a bag slash wallet. Go ahead and check out their website. They do have drops once in a while. I'm not like, I don't know when they have their drops. When I ordered mine, I just came across it because someone posted on Instagram, and I was like, I'll go on it, and then the top says like sells out in minutes, so I just bought it then. But I'm so glad I got the color I wanted and the size. They should have like a medium and like a really big size, but this is perfect for like every outfit. Yeah, and like I said earlier, you can dress it up or dress it down, so it's very versatile. Alright, so that's basically it for today. I literally want to do like more bag videos and reviews. Like I have my Lady Dior, I'm manifesting a Chanel bag. Like that is like when I know that I like made it, you know, like documenting it now. But I really want to do a like Chanel unboxing, my own bag. That is the goal. So yeah, we have my Telfar bag for now. We have my other LV ones on my channel, so go ahead and check that out. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.